game.
So Kira, what's going on today? Should we have a look? Come on then, let's have a look what's going on. How far are we going? Uh-oh. Where you been? You got nothing to say for yourself? Madam?
What do you want to say?
I don't know, what do you want to say? That'll do. Let's show everybody how far we got. It's a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. And it's going to be really hot the weekend. Perfect to go down to the coast. Isn't it, Kira? But what's happened? It's not for you, you've had your say. Look at that. We're nowhere near ready. Although we finished this side and put the edging on. There's a few patches to repair. But unfortunately, excuse me, that's as far as we have got because this isn't done. It's prepped but not done. And oh my god, this should have been done and finished and ready for the weekend. We should be packing this now.
So, if you are...
Oh, yeah, you can stand over there.
So, if you are wondering where our other dog is, unfortunately he had to go to the vet to have the chop. So we've had to have him neutered. So I've got to go and collect him at 3 o'clock.
What happened when you was down there?
He didn't want to go in. He was really scared.
I wonder why.
And he slipped the harness. And luckily he came back on the recall instead of running into the road. So
you nearly had a heart attack, didn't you?
No, my heart. So yeah.
Yeah. Would be a woman that had him done, wouldn't it? Oh well. We should be camping soon. I found a battery actually, so there's only 3 volt in it at the moment, but we'll see if all the cells start bubbling to give us a healthy battery. It's one of the lads out of their little minis, which I'm pretty sure they've just left because and then as well as explaining about quite a lot of storage space in there now when we've finished wrapping it. Should have been finished now, we should be cleaning it now. But hey ho, oh, if I bang into this bloody thing again. It's you, Kira, it's you that's causing that. Oh well. We'll get there.
Oh, Alfie!
You're alright, mate.
Sleepy.
Oh, a little bit lighter as well. Shame. Tail's wagging there.